All right, guys, let's talk about protein pancakes. So for years, I've been looking for a protein pancake recipe that does the job, but they always have cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, and they just don't taste like pancakes. They're not good. I tried some of the store brands like Kodiak, and they just taste like protein powder. They're not great. So when I want pancakes, I go to the original House of Pancakes and eat probably 1,200 calories of pancakes and syrup, and that's not good. But I finally recently found the best protein pancake mix I think there is out there. It's gonna be this Pearl Mill & Company protein buttermilk pancake, formerly known as Aunt Jemima. So macro-wise, we have 210 calories per serving. That's 59 grams. We have 2.5 grams of fat, 32 carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of protein. So that's a good ratio for protein to calorie. And then I think the ingredient that sets it over the top is gonna be Fairlife fat-free milk. This is 80 calories per serving, 13 grams of protein. We need about a half cup of this for the serving I make, so let me show you guys how to make it.
Okay, so first I'm gonna get my fruit ready. So if you don't want any fruit, feel free to skip this step, but I like to have blueberries for mine. Strawberries work great too. Bananas are great. Use whatever fruit you want or none at all. Just make sure whatever fruit you're using fits your macros. These blueberries, I'm doing 2 ounces. That's gonna be about 30 calories, so not much. And I want to caramelize them, so I'm putting them in some foil and grabbing this sweetener. It's a monk fruit sweetener. I'm just putting a little bit on it just so it sweetens up. And I'm just gonna kind of wrap up the foil a little bit. And then after that, it's gonna go in the air fryer on the bake roast setting for just some time, just until the pancakes are done cooking. And then normally when you see all the juices pouring out, then that's a good sign. Okay, let's go ahead and get our pancake mix ready. So I've got my scale here. I'm gonna tear it out with my mixing bowl on it. And remember, I'm doing a serving and a half, so I'm doing about 89 grams or so. If you wanna do 1 serving, do 59 grams. And it's gonna be exact, so you can get your macros, pretty exact. All right, and now I'm good. I'm just gonna pour in my half cup of Fairlife milk here. Remember, this is another 40 calories here. And once it's all poured in, I'm just gonna take my spatula and I'm just gonna mix it until all the clumps are gone, so there's no flour visible. And the box says that once you mix it, to let it sit for a minute. So what I do is once I'm done mixing, I'm gonna heat up my pan for a minute or 2. I go for a medium, just below medium heat. And I know what you're thinking, this is a non-stick pan, right? So we're gonna get some cooking spray and we're going to, actually no, we're not gonna spray, no, because we don't need to. If you ever made pancakes before, you don't need spray for it. And if you don't spray it, then it actually makes a nice, really aesthetic pancake. If you spray it, it still looks fine, it'll still taste great, but you can spray it if you want to, but you don't have to. So now I'm just gonna pour in the batter. I'm gonna do 3 circles as big as I can. That's why I'm using the bigger pan here. And I just kind of make them a little smaller at first, and then with the remaining batter, then I just kind of add to it, so I get hopefully an even 3 pancakes, which you're gonna see, I didn't really, I kind of made that top left one too small. But once all your batter's in, you can kind of cook the pancakes and they take a couple minutes on the first side, and they don't bubble like other pancakes do, so kind of have to just check under it and see how it looks. Once it's the nice brown color you want, then kind of just confidently go under with your spatula. Just really dig in and then flip it confidently. There we go. Confidence is key. We're gonna do the next one. Same thing, just confidently go under. Looking perfect. And then one more, same exact thing. Looking perfect. And of course, you guys can divide your pancakes up if you want. You can do 5 small ones, you can do 2 huge ones. Get your plate ready, and I'm gonna check the bottom and just make sure they look good on the other side. Looks perfect. Same exact thing with the next one. All right, and then one more. Perfect. Just make sure to periodically check on your blueberries, and once your pancakes are done, then they should be good to go, and just pour them on top.
All right, let's see these things. So one thing too is this is the best syrup I found as well. Maple Grove Farms, sugar-free, organic flavor.
It's 10 calories per serving. I probably use 2 servings every time I eat this. So many of the other ones taste artificial and bad, but this one is pretty good. And calorie-wise, we're looking at this whole plate with the syrup is 29 grams of protein, 59 carbs, 6 grams of fiber, 4 grams of fat, and that's 405 calories total. So again, you could use water if you want to lower the calorie count. I'm using milk there, but up to you. Let's eat it. It's really soft texture. Doesn't taste like protein powder at all. It just tastes like a regular homemade pancake. I'll show you guys the inside of this too. Now, do you guys pour your syrup on top or on the side? I pour it on top. I just like it really soaked in. But I'm curious. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys do. Hey, Kiwi, what's up? I've been eating this meal, you know, a couple times a week or so for the last few months. And one thing I love about it is after finishing this, I always feel really full. I feel really content, really satiated. And I normally eat breakfast around 8:30 and then I go work out around 9:30. And I always feel like I have enough energy for the gym with this meal. Never feel like, oh, I need more carbs or I need more energy or I'm getting hungry during my workout. So I promise you guys, this will keep you full. Now again, I ate a serving and a half, so portion yours to your diet. You know, maybe you have a more restrictive calorie deficit than I do. In which case, maybe you could eat like a 300 calorie version of this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Try it out. Let me know what you think of it. If you like the channel, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. I promise there'll be more content soon, okay? All right, you guys have a good one.